Informing, educating, empowering,
improving the way you do business in an industry that's anything but static.
You're listening to the Agent Survival Guide podcast.
ACA Exchange and FFM Certification info. It's time to start preparing for the 2025 open enrollment period. We'll discuss all the certification changes and important updates that you need to be aware of for the upcoming plan year. Here's what you can expect from the Federally Facilitated Marketplace, or FFM certification, and state exchange trainings. Marketplace training deadlines to be aware of. The 2025 FFM certification is available through the CMS Enterprise Portal Marketplace Learning Management System, or MLMS for short. A mobile version of the training is available this year. For agents utilizing Health Sherpa, this training is also available on the CMS Enterprise Portal. FFM certification is only required for agents selling in the federal exchange. If you only sell products in a state-based exchange, you'll need to complete the appropriate state-specific training. Some state exchanges open agent trainings as early as mid-July. All agents must update their MLMS profile on the CMS Enterprise Portal in addition to completing the 2025 training course to be considered ready to sell. We'll go over important dates for the ACA exchanges in which Ritter is active. You can learn more about each exchange by registering with Ritter Insurance Marketing and visiting our certification center. The first item on our list is the Federal 2025 FFM training opened on July 31st, 2024. This training can be completed through the CMS Portal, Health Sherpa, or InXS Cloud. The 2025 FFM certification will allow agents to sell for the remainder of 2024. Continuing education credits are available through Health Sherpa and InXS Cloud for participating agents in 44 states and DC for plan year 2025. California, Minnesota, New Jersey, Nevada, New York, and Wyoming will not be offering CE credits. Moving on to state exchanges, starting with Colorado. 2025 training is available in Colorado. Enrollment and more information about this training is available for brokers on the Connect for Health Colorado website. Georgia's training went live on July 31st of this year. The 2025 plan year marks the first year Georgia will operate as a state-based marketplace. Learn more about enrollment by visiting the state's marketplace website, georgiaaccess.gov. We will have the links to the Georgia Access and Connect for Health Colorado websites in the episode notes for you. At the time of publication, Kentucky's 2024 training is still available. Their 2025 training is not yet open, but going off of previous years, it will likely open by the end of September. For Maryland, their annual retraining deadline for previously authorized agents is TBD at the time of publication. It's important to note that Maryland does not certify or authorize agents by OEP or plan year. Agents doing business in Maryland must apply and complete initial training to receive authorization to sell. Broker authorization expires after 2 years. The Maryland Health Benefit Exchange will send a renewal notice no later than 60 days prior to the expiration date. For New Jersey, 2024 training closed on July 31st, 2024. There is currently no open date for the 2025 training. The deadline for recertification training is also TBD. However, agents who complete the 2025 certification will be able to sell for the remainder of 2024. There is currently no closing date for the 2024 New York State Exchange training or an open date for the 2025 training. Next, here in Pennsylvania, where Ritter Insurance Marketing is headquartered, the closing date for the 2024 training has yet to be announced. We do know the 2025 training will open at the end of August, and the recertification training deadline is November 30th, 2024. Additionally, the 2025 certification will allow agents to sell for the remainder of 2024. Lastly, we have Virginia. The 2025 agent registration and training course for Virginia opened August 15th, 2024. All agents currently certified will be automatically enrolled in the renewal training. One last thing I'd like to mention. Returning agents are able to take a condensed training. Agents who are new to the ACA market and did not certify or missed a recertification deadline must complete the full individual marketplace training. We'll continue to keep you and our certification center updated when we receive more details, so be sure you're following along with our show for updates. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an integrity company. This episode was written by Emily Ryan, script adaptation and recording by me, Tina Lamoureux, production by Sarah Ruppel, podcast design by Urban Rivera, artwork by Vivian Zhao. Rate and review our show on Apple or Spotify.